I had installed 3 versions here: Python 2.7, Python 3.4 and Python 3.6, and Python 3.5 also I had installed in other drive. So I will not work with Python 3.5 because if you get any errors regarding installations, I had updated one article, right? So for that purpose I had installed Python 3.5 in my machine. Okay, so we'll move on to this search. So how can you open your Python IDLE means? So once you type Python here, so it will display the versions. It is a standard version 2.7. This is the 3.6 I had installed. This is the 3.4 which I had installed. So once I click on that, automatically the file will be opened. Here you can perform some operations, and we'll perform string operations, list operations, all the things we can perform here. So first we'll discuss about this GUI. So this is the file menu. So once you click on this new file, the new file will be created here. So what is this? What is the use of this new file means? You can write the code here. You can write the code. So you can clearly check. So a is equals to 8. This is a sample code. So upcoming sessions you can clearly understand. So this is a is equals to 8. You can clearly see. So if I type a is equals to 8 here, so I can't get back to this line. If I choose a new file, so I can get back to here. I can edit the value and I can rewrite the value. That's the use of this file. So before executing this file, so make sure you need to save this file. Make sure you need to save this file, and you can type it first py. Okay, first py I had returned, and while coming to run, I need to run this module. Okay, when I press run module, so automatically the shell will be restarted. So it will comes to this Python shell. Okay, once you got an idea about this file, so you can write your code if you are performing some complex operations in IDLE. So if you open this file, then it will be very helpful for you. If you are trying to do operations in IDLE itself, so it will be a little bit tough for you. Okay, so till now we had discussed new file. What is the use of this open means? So it will open all the Python related files. So it will open all the Python related files. So all the Python related files must be saved in .py only. So you need to save with extension .py. Okay, so I'm going to try this. I had opened this Python first py.py. So this is the file name. Okay, so I'm going to this file and we'll see one more. So recent files which we had opened, all the files, it will be restored out here. And open module means it will be not applicable as of now. So I will update an article regarding this. Open module, class browser and path browser also I will update all this. I will update an article for these 3 options, so don't mind that. For as you know, you can save the file, you can save as the file, and you can save copy as. So there is a 3 options: save as and save copy as. You can save copy as means you can save this file as a duplicate file. So this is a print window, so it automatically print the window, means it will capture the screenshot. Once you click on this close, so automatically it will close the IDLE. Exit means total IDLE will be closed. So this is regarding file menu. This is regarding file menu. While coming to edit menu, so you can see this undo, redo. So if you know MS Word, so same, the options will be same here. So some options only differ. Some options only differ here. So it will be same. You can find the words, and you can find the words and find the lines, and you can replace the words, and all the things will be performed here. But most of the times in IDLE we can't use this edit menu because depends upon the requirements. We'll use these options in IDLE, but for this Python programming, so I had entirely covered in IDLE itself, so I didn't select it in new file also. So please, if you get any errors, so if you have any doubts regarding this, please ask in Q&A section. I will revert you back as soon as possible. So what is the use of this shell? So we can restart your shell. Restart means the inside the shell will be restarted automatically. So if I press the shell, automatically it will be restarted. What is the use of restart means? If you get any errors, if you struck up in the code, so you are getting indent block errors, if you get like this, so you can restart your shell and you can start your program again. So no need to close this ideally and no need to open again. So this is the benefit of this restart. So what is the use of this last view restart means? So it will show when the Python shell is restarted. What is the use of this debug? So as of now we don't discuss this debug also. I will update an article for this, so please go through that. I'll give the definitions also. What is the options? So configure IDLE. So you can see here, so you can set your tab, set your font size. So you increase your fonts, how much font size you want, and how can you change your fonts. So you can change your fonts like this, and you can highlight your strings also. So you can see, so it will come in upcoming sessions, or you can select the strings also, but as of now I didn't use this function because this is not required for us. It will be like another option, and this is the keys. So there will be an inbuilt keys. So you can see here, insert, close, all the commands. So if you for all helpful commands will be there here, so it will be helpful. So if you have time, if you have some time, so please go through these actions. So in this also, if you get any errors, so please ask me in Q&A section. I will respond you as soon as possible. So this is about the basic GUI, about the configure IDLE. So how can you configure? You can zoom the window, and you can see this Python 2.7.10 shell. So coming to these options, so this configure IDLE, so you can configure according to your requirement. If you want your IDLE need to be colorful, so you can change all the things. And this is the window. So zoom height and Python 2.7.10, this is the Python shell name, and this is the help menu. So you can, if you want any documents also, you can get the documents regarding this Python, and IDLE help will be there. So if you click on about also, it will show you which version of this IDLE, and it will have some basic tabs and buttons. So if you want, you can click on that, you can check there. But as of now, we'll go on to this IDLE only. Thanks for watching. In next video, we'll see some videos in regarding new file in Python 3.6 version. Okay, thanks for watching.